Let's work on the nervous system. As always, let's go to the answers first. Checking out the answer, I see that we have two with the same answer. Even AAPC agrees with me. Look at this right there on their website. If a code is mentioned in two answers, if so, go directly to that code and see if it fits the scenario. There's a reason why they put two answers that are the same. There's one small difference, and they want to know if you understand the differences. And of course, we see that in this question. More than anything else, AAPC wants to know if you know how to use the books, the CPT, the HIPICS, and the ICD-10. Do we know how to use the resources that are inside those books to find the answer? Well, with this one being the same answer in both questions, the only difference is whether we add radiology code to it or not. Let's run to that code and see what's going on. Here's the code, and it already includes imaging guidance. So we know we're not going to add a 7000 code with this. It even has it in the do nots. Don't use those codes. So even without looking at any part of the question, I know my answer is going to be B, no matter what on this question. Now our question is about a lumbar epidural, and if I do go down to the answers and the rationale, we do have B as our answer. I hope this is helpful. A lot of questions are on the exam like this. If there are two answers with the same answers listed in them, please focus on those two answers. Don't ignore them. Go to those first and see if that pans out. One more tip. Don't forget to go back to the main headers to make sure you're under the right header before you even worry about that individual CPT code. Don't forget, if it's indented over here, that means it is a child code. We need to go back until we find mama code and make sure that we realize this code, the child code, includes everything that the mama is up to that semicolon. And then that's where the child takes over and is different. But that other code includes all of this information. So don't forget those two tips, super helpful. I hope this is helpful, guys. I still do 6 hours of free teaching every week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 2 hours, 6:30 Arizona time zone here on TikTok. Come join in. It is interactive and a wonderful way to learn more tips like this. Thanks, guys.